Weekend morning, a week's worth of laundry is piled up like a mountain in front of Sujin.
This time I'll wash them all at once. Huh? Why is this?
Minsu has been guarding the TV since morning because today is the soccer finals.
Honey, the washing machine is broken.
I'll check after the game. It's tied right now.
Sujin comes up with a clever plan to drag Minsu up herself.
Huh? What?
The TV turned off with Sujin's small gesture.
No, why did it suddenly turn off? It's the moment for the winning goal. This is broken too? What kind of day is this?
Can you check the washing machine? Then I'll fix the TV.
Fine, I'll check it quickly.
This is strange. Power is on, but why won't it run? I think we need to call service. It's the weekend, so they'll probably come tomorrow.
The moment Sujin secretly moves her finger,
Huh? Suddenly? See? Once my hands touch it.
My husband is the best. Now I'll fix the TV as promised.
thanks to Sujin's little magic, everyone has a happy weekend today.